Hey everybody, I am so excited to share with you how to make this cute little angel ornament. And we're going to make a couple of these. One we'll make as an ornament like this, and then another one to put on a card. So it's super easy. I'm going to start with a full circle and a half a circle. This is the largest die in the Stylish Shapes die set. And then I both cut the full one, and then I also did this is a little bit less than a half, just because that's how much paper I had on my scrap that I was using. But you can do it anyway. Now you're just going to fold in these to create the sides to create basically a triangle with a rounded bottom for the body. And then to make this into an ornament, we're just going to take some linen thread and put this in here. You can use, kind of whatever you want for this, but I like linen thread because it's kind of small, and it'll fit in here nicely. Now, if you wanted, you could use hot glue to really adhere this in strongly. I'm just going to put some Seal Plus in here, and I kind of ran my fingernail over my linen thread because it's comes out a little crinkly on that roll. This is towards the end of a roll, and so it's kind of wound on there really tight. So anyway, I'm just gonna press that into the Seal Plus, and then I'm just gonna put another layer over the top. Okay, because I'm gonna close this up. I guess it doesn't really matter which side you do first. Then I'll put a little bit more on this flap to hold everything closed, and there is the body of my angel. Now on this half piece, you can choose whichever side you want to be the body. But again, I'll put some Seal Plus on there, and I'm going to put it just a skosh up from my full circle, okay? So like that for the wings. Then I have die cut a star. Now this star comes from the Beautiful Balloons bundle. So I pulled the smaller of, there's two stars in here, two big stars, and I pulled the smaller of the two. And then I'm just going to add this right over the top. And again, I think I'll use Seal Plus. You could also use hot glue, like I said, to really get that on there nicely. And there is my ornament. So that's just so cute. I could see doing a whole tree in these in different patterns. It would be so pretty. You can use solid cardstock. You can use whatever you want. So there's that one. This one, by the way, was done with a 2.5 inch circle punch. That's retired. I'm going to show you the 2 3/8, which is going to be just a scotch smaller, and we're going to make a card out of that. So I'm going to once again pull this pattern because I really love it. It's just pretty. And as mentioned, I'm going to use my 2 3/8 inch circle punch, and I'm going to punch it 2 times like this. Okay, and I'm going to take one of these and do the folding like you've seen on the first one. So I'm just folding these over like that. And then for the back of this, I can either use this pattern or this pattern. And this time I'm just going to fold it in half. So this is going to give me a little bit sturdier in angel. But you can use it like this, or you can do the other side, which I'm going to do like this. Okay, so I'm just going to close that up, and we're going to adhere that like so, right in the center there. And then this time, because I'm not doing an ornament, I don't have to do anything special there, because we don't care about the ornament part, so we don't need a hanger. And then I'm just going to take my star and once again add this. Now on this one, I think I'll use my Seal Plus once more because it's just handy. Okay, so that is just so sweet for my angel. Now let's make a card out of this. So I'm going to start with a half a sheet of Lost Lagoon cardstock. And we'll give this a good crease with my bone folder. And then I've got a 3 7/8 by 5 1/8 inch piece of that same DSP. It's just a different pattern. And then a 4 by 5 1/4 inch piece of basic white. Now I want to add my angel on here like so. And then I'm just going to add a sentiment to the bottom, and you can use whatever you'd like. I love Joy and Peace from the Night Divine stamp set. This is just so pretty, and I think is just the perfect font for this particular angel and card and everything. So I'm going to make sure this is on my block straight, and then using some pretty peacock, a little darker ink, to make sure this shows up nicely onto my card, I'm just going to stamp Joy and Peace at the bottom here. Oh, so pretty. And then we'll go ahead and adhere this to our card, or to our layer of basic white cardstock. And then we'll put this on our card. And actually, I think I'm going to tie a little ribbon on here. So I'll take some of our Lost Lagoon ribbon and just tie a knot here at the top, just to kind of make my card a little fancy. Let me grab my ribbon scissors here. And I think this is just such a pretty card. That's so easy to do. And of course, I love the fact that you can do this as an ornament. They would also be really cute tags for packages. So if you had either some craft wrapping paper, or just plain white wrapping paper, or something, you know, simple. Snowflakes would be really pretty. You could just add that to the top. So I popped that up, and then I'm just going to adhere this directly to my card. Just use a little Seal Plus because I want it to make sure it sticks nicely on there. And then what a cute card. So you can make all kinds of different things with this super simple design. I hope you loved today's tutorial. Thank you so much for being a part of our 12 days of Christmas. Of course, if you'd like to purchase any of the supplies to make these projects, please shop my online store. I'll have all the links in the description of this video. Thanks, guys. Bye.